Alright, let's see if you can calculate 15% of 200 in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, I think you couldn't. Well, that's fine. And if you were able, let me know down in the comments. We're here, you could have simply just divided with 100. Now you have 15 times 2, which will give you 30 fast lining speed. And that's what I'm going to teach you today. Try to do 20% of 80. Well, over here, I can divide by 10 here and divide by 10 here. That we cancel the zeros, and 2 times 8, that is 16. So 20% of 80 is 16. Now you must be asking yourself why. I don't understand. What percentage stands for 100? That's what percentage stands for. And if you do 10 times 10, it gives you back 100%, right? So whenever you have these kinds of problems, you either divide by 100 or you simply split and you divide 10 on this side or 10 on the other side. With that said, let's practice a couple more questions. Try to divide this in your head. Try to calculate the percentage of 35% of 60 in your head. Alright, so the best choice here would be to divide here by 10 and divide here by 10. Cancel the 0. We move one decimal place over this side. So we have 3.5 times 6. Now if you multiply 3 times 6, 3 times 6 will give you 18. Now simply multiply 6 times 5. 6 times 5, guys, that will give you 30. But that 30 is 6.3, okay? Sorry, that 30 is 3.0. Now, simply add 18 plus 3, that's 21. So 35% of 60 is 21. Try this other one. 50% of 150. So, best choice here would be to divide by 10, right? Because it's easier when we cancel out the zeros. Now simply multiply 5 times 15, and in this case, if you multiply, you should get 75. That's our answer. Try this one. What about 10% of 500? Which would you divide both sides by 10? Yeah, you surely can do that, or simply divide it by 100. In this case, both would be fine and it will be quicker. So I'll just do 100 and 10 times 5. Guess what? That is 50. I hope you did it in your head. It's fast, it's easy using the method this way. Now, try this one, try a couple just for you to practice a couple and have them stick to you. All right, so let's do 75% of 120. So, very interesting. In this one, I'll use 10 and 10 over here. I can quickly just cancel out the zeros and move one decimal place over here. Now we have 7.5 times 12. And now I can multiply 7 times 12. That is 84. And now let's multiply 12 times 5. That should give you 60. But remember, you have a decimal point here. Let's put a decimal here. That will be 84 plus 6. That's a total of 90. Did you get this? Let me know down in the comments if you really like it this way. Now, let's do a couple more. I really want you to practice, and of course, now that you know how to calculate it, maybe you calculate this one in 5 seconds. Let's see if you can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The answer is 20. Did you get it? All right, simply divide by 100. See, 5 times 4 is 20. That was lightning speed. What about this one? I'll give you 5 seconds for you to divide this one. 40% of 90. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, 10 over here, 10 over here. Cancel out the zeros. 4 times 9. That is a total of 36. Let's do a couple more. 60% of 250. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. Let's see if you got the same answer. I'll just use 10 because it's easier to just cancel out the zeros. And if you multiply 25 times 6, it should have given you a total of 150. Right, let's try this last one and let me know down in the comments if you were able to calculate it in less than 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is 21. Divide here and divide here. 30% of 70 is 21. Now, if you like this video and it helped you, you learned something from it to calculate percentages fast and as lightning speed, let me know down in the comments, and thank you for watching.